How many crabs? How many crabs?
Ayun!
2. Ay! 10! Dami namang crabs. 10 crabs.
How many ducks, Sing? Count me ducks. 2 ducks. Yay!
2 ducks. Yay! How many ducks na? Lumampas. Wow, galing very good naman. More. Yay! Oh, may baby, mommy, and daddy crab.